Your 2018-2020 VW Jetta key fob uses a CR2032 battery. When remote functions like locking or unlocking become unreliable, it's time for replacement. First, locate the slot on the side or back of your fob. It may be secured with a small latch or screw. Gently pry open the case using a small, non-metallic flathead screwdriver to avoid damage. Remove the old battery and insert a new CR2032, ensuring the positive side faces up. Parts cost under $10 and are available online or at auto parts stores. Handle the battery carefully to avoid short-circuiting. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. After replacing your VW Jetta key fob battery, immediately test all functions to ensure everything works correctly. Next, reprogram the fob to sync with your vehicle. Cycle the ignition key or use the VW Connect app to prevent connectivity issues. Official VW bulletins recommend this step. Always use the correct CR2032 battery type. Incorrect batteries can cause malfunctions and reduce fob performance. Avoid over-tightening the fob case when reassembling. Excessive force can crack the housing and damage internal components. If you experience reduced range or the fob stops responding, professional reprogramming may be required at a VW dealership. Check fob sealing to prevent moisture ingress, which can cause corrosion. This was a key issue in VW's 2022 recall for certain 2018-2019 Jetta fobs. Finally, consider energy-efficient fobs with low-power modes to extend battery life by 20–30%, as introduced in VW's 2025 models.